Now in this video we're going to have a quick run through paper 1 of the Intermediate 2 exam 2013. So the first question here, factorise 6ab minus 7bc. Well, it's a common factor and the only common factor is b. You take the b out and your answer 6a minus 7c. Second one, you have to find the equation of this line. Well, you can see immediately, we write down the standard form, y equals mx plus c. C, the y-intercept is 4. M, the gradient is the y over the x, and it's minus 4. Line's coming down, minus 4 over 3. So the equation is y equals minus 4 over 3x plus 4. So that's the first question done. Second question is asking about arc length, so immediately we should write the formula. Length of arc is the angle fraction 72 over 360 times pi d. Well, the radius is given as 5, so the diameter's 10, so it's 10 pi. 72 over 360 is 1 over 5. Pi is 3.14, 10 times that's 31.4. Divide by 5, 6.28 is what I got for that one. Question 4, of course, simultaneous equations. So here are your two equations. The way I've done it is multiply the first one by 2, so you've got 4x minus 2y equals 20. You could have, and it'd probably be easier to multiply the first one by 5 and add them. I've multiplied by 2, so I'm going to subtract them to get rid of the 4x. So I subtract them and I get nothing here. 5 minus 2y gives me 7y. 6 minus 20 minus 14. Y is minus 2. Sub that into 1. 2x minus 2 for y equals 10. And work that through and you get x equals 4. So that was my answer to the fourth question. The fifth question was the circle one. Now immediately you know that this is a right angle, TPQ, and this is a right angle because they're angles in a semicircle, TRQ, angle in semicircle. You also know that this is a radius tangent, so these two angles, S2 and P2, are 90. And then it's straightforward. We know that QTR is 60, 90 minus 60 is 22. PQT, because this is 90, it's just 90 minus 37, 53. And in the same way, TQR, because this one is 90, it's just 90 minus 22. And I think you were actually asked for PQR, so you have to add these. 8 and 3 is 11, 6, 7, 121 degrees should be the answer. Okay, so that was number 5. We're still going strong, I hope. Number 6 was stem and leaf. So there's the stem and leaf there. You have to find the median. Well, there's 30, so the median is going to be between 15 and 16. So if I go from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're getting bigger. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 are both 35. So the median's 35. Then the lower quartile here, there's 15 numbers, so it'll be the 8th number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 22. And the upper quartile is going to be the 8th number up the way here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 39. Because that's half of it's the median of the upper set of the data. And then you just draw your box plot, hopefully, with 22, the median at 35, upper quartile 39, your tail at 50 and 10, and that gets you the marks for that. And then there's the classic comparison. Well, on average, I've said, on average, fourth year's pupils, because they have a higher mean, spend more time on their homework. And with a larger interquartile range, 17 compared to 12, homework time is more spread out amongst the first years, so they've got a bigger interquartile range. So something of that sort. Homework times are more consistent in fourth year, that kind of idea. So now we go on to question 7, which is the algebraic fraction. The clue here is x plus 4 squared, and that helps you factorise the bottom here, which is a trinomial, and one of the factors is x plus 4, the other is x minus 5. 4 times minus 5 is minus 20, and plus 4 and minus 5 gives us minus 1. And then one of the x plus 4s cancels out with the 1 on the bottom, and you get the answer x plus 4 over x minus 5. Then number 8, straightforward. Period, well there's 2 of them in 360, so the period's 180. And then number 9 was our quadratic one. So I've written it, here it is here, I've written it with the minus brackets x minus 4 squared plus 20 to get it in the standard form, which I hope we all memorised. Ax minus b squared plus c. And then we can say that immediately the b is 4, the c is 20, because they're both minuses. I just have to put a 4 in for b to get this. So I know that the turning point is 420, and the axis of symmetry is x equals 4. Then the final one was a phase shift 90 degrees to the right for a sine wave. So we push it all along, and the maximum goes to 180, 360 here. So that was paper 1, which I hope you did okay at.